Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your fonts in Pomelli. So if you have your, let's say, business DNA in Pomelli, let me go ahead and show you. I click the three lines on the upper left hand side, and here you have business DNA, which is your brand kit, really, your brand details. Here you have fonts, and you can easily change the font. So let's say Pomelli grab a certain font, or let's say generate a certain font from your website, and that's not the main font that you want to use. You want to select something else. You can go to this business DNA and you can edit the font. So you can click on the font here, the pencil icon, and you can add it or upload your own fonts. Otherwise, you have other fonts that it will try to pull here. So it says from your website, and there's fonts there, like a whole lot of fonts that you can even choose from. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose, for example, a different font. So let's say I want to use this font. I can click on this font here and click on apply. And that's going to be the font that I want to use in my designs. And as you can see right now, if I would go back and try to go to, for example, one of these different, let's say business DNA, or let's say I want to generate something else, I can always use those fonts to update it, right? Or let's say when I want to generate new designs, I can always go ahead and use it, and it's going to update the font or the selected font from the design as well, and you can choose from that font. But that's how you can easily, really, guys, to let's say update the font in Pomelli, and that's pretty much all there is to it.